Thanks for watching. If your fireplace turns on and then turns off, it's most likely your thermocouple. And this is what this looks like. We got a little thread thing right there where that goes into this area over here. That thermocouple is defected, so you need to buy a new one. They're about $8. You can get them at the big box store. And I'm gonna show you guys a quick tip that I just learned right now, and I never really knew this. So when you turn your gas on over here, and you go over here to light your pilot, so you got this turned on, and you got your flame by it, it should be blowing air out because there's air inside of the line. What you wanna do is get rid of all that air, and the way to do it is to hold this down and put the flame by it, or you could put your finger by it and see if it's actually blowing out. Because if you don't get that air out, that's why when you're going here to light this thing, it's actually not lighting. I used to hold a lighter to it for about 2 or 3 minutes until it finally lit. But what you should do is push this knob, let all the air out, and then put the flame to it, because you're just holding your hand with a flame over there. This is your thermocouple right here, the tip. This is what tells this thing to push a coil just a little bit and push this button. It's almost like a button because it gets hot and it expands, and it pushes something in here telling it that this is allowed to release gas. When this is defected, then it stops working and it doesn't push the button. That's why you need a new one. Anyways, real easy to install. I was able to just yank this out and pull it out and screw that on and screw it off. One time I did run into my water heater, which the thread on the connection piece right here was reverse thread, and I could not find it anywhere, and I needed to take a shower because the water heater was busted. So what I did, I came up with this idea, and you got to be pretty crafty to do this, because they just didn't, I couldn't find the reverse thread. I think somebody wanted like $70 to ship me this little part online where I could do it, and I copied their design, and what they did was had a slice in this right here, so you can just slip this on and then you can screw it, and the pressure from only missing a little bit of a slice enough to get onto this, and I used an angle grinder to do it. But I sliced it right here and I put it on. I was able to get my water heater working. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out one way or another, and just give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Go fix that fireplace.